here is our Uber. This is our Uber back to the other side here. Yeah, look at these guys just hanging out. Yeah.
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 To come to us, actually.
You want a camel back?
No.
Yeah. How much?
You want?
How much?
How many camel you need? 4? We'll make for you 15 each.
How much?
15?
15 each.
All right.
10 each?
Normal, the price is 20 because you are 4 pins. 4.
All right, we'll do
15 each.
15.
15 each. From here to the treasury, the big temple.
All the way up, yeah. Yeah.
How much dinner?
US?
No, US is 15.
US.
It's like 10 JD. 20 US. 20 US, it's 14 dinar, not 15.
Yeah. All right. 20 US, there you go.
معي واحد أنا.
Try, we do together. Caravan camel.
So together for 30 US?
No.
Because at the end of the day we make it 50.
All right. Yeah.
Do you want one each or?
This is the price.
All right.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
It's a nice limousine you have.
Yeah, it reminds me of that Stephen Curtis Chapman song, Saddle Up Your Horses, we got a trail to blaze. You ever heard that one? Stephen Curtis. Do you guys know Stephen Curtis Chapman?
Yeah.
Saddle up your horses,
Well,
we
we're
got a
supposed to try
trail to
being.
blaze. Oh, okay. Well, I just paid.
So did I. I paid.
I'm ready to ride.
Have you paid?
Yep. All right, let's roll.
All right.
Come here.
All right. Yes. All right. Yeah.
Okay, the lady here.
Yep. All right. So here. Yeah. This is our Uber. Sarah's getting on.
Come sir. رسالة عندي فراس قلت لك. ما عليك يا. بيوتيفول. صور رجلك.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, give me your water.
Yeah.
Later you take it.
All right. We're up.
Yeah, mine went up, yours went up.
That was
And
fast.
nobody was helping it. Oh,
Yeah.
mine's attached.
Okay, just
Yeah.
hold and relax now.
Okay.
Yeah, relax.
All right.
عدي باسمك عند عربات وعطيها الرسم من الجبهة.
Here we go. Don't fall. Don't fall off. Man. Yeah. He said to relax. No. Are you? So are you gonna take us?
No, just hold it with you. You know the way the camel.
Oh, so the camel will. All right. He's on autopilot. He's got a GPS. He knows where to go, I suppose. All right. Oh my goodness, this is wearing my hips after that walk. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get the hat up. Okay, we are riding. Oh, we're gonna go see some sights. All right, let's go around this way. No. Oh. Yeah. What's his name? Herb? Harold? Floyd? All right, we are on the move. And the GoPro stabilization is working, I bet. Free massage with every ride, they said. Yeah. I'm just gonna hold on here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. How you doing back there, Sarah?
Great.
All right. I'm holding on. Ships of the desert. Look at that. Riding the camel through the city gate. Oh, you know, I lifted my leg on that so he didn't scrape me, but yep, I'm good. Look at this, riding a camel down a 100 AD Roman road. Wow. Yeah. Alright, he likes kissy noises, I suppose. Look at this. This is the Roman Forum, I'm guessing here. Here, Roman road. Although, these stones are not laid on the diagonal that much, though. Maybe it's just the way they're laid in short cuts. I don't know, but yeah, 180 Roman road here in Petra. All right, we're riding to the left now. Oh boy. All right, holding on. Time to cue the John Williams music. There goes a lizard. And the Indiana Jones music. Yep. Nice shadow down there. Okay, we're gonna move. All right. Okay. So now that we got the legs all worked out, now we're gonna work out the core. Rock it back and forth. Whew. Yeah. Boy. All right. See these columns? Look at that. How old those columns are. Wow. And those tombs up there carved into the mountain. There's a arch on the right. Oh. Yeah. Let's see where George Lucas got the idea for some of his animal sounds. Yeah. A little bit of work. I said just relax, but I'm holding on. Okay. We're gonna hang a left up here, I think. Get down to this intersection. Hang the left. Working out my lower back, that's for sure. So our guide was telling us that the other day that if you were going to go buy a camel, a cheap camel is $3,000. thinking about buying a car or a van, right? And he said they're a status symbol also, and the wealthy people go into the millions paying for camels, which reminds me a lot of Kentucky thoroughbreds. Oh, yeah. Oh, here comes the camels coming back to the livery. Yeah, look at him just jogging along there. Yeah. Yeah. So I got one of these big wooden knobs here on the front and on the back. So I'm just thinking about the dismount, hoping that he can go down easy and don't get a knob in the back. There we are. Yeah, my new buddy Herb. That's what I'll call him. Riding by that ancient theater carved in the rock here on the Camel. In a few minutes we'll round the turn and see the treasury, which is our final stop. And then we have to hike out about 1.5 miles back to Seek on the way back. And there's the tombs where we hiked over the first time, coming up that way. Look at that. Look at that view. Wow. Riding the camel home. Yeah. Wow. And this place gets quiet at 4 o'clock. Alright, me and Herb are approaching the drop zone here. And I'm just hoping I don't pull a groin muscle in this dismount. Yeah. Alright, Herb. Almost there, buddy. Yeah. We had to stop for a few pieces of trash you had to sniff along the route here. Yeah. He says, I know we're almost home here. Little guide down there, finishing up the route. Alright. Wow.
Afters, you want to go up to the view?
No. Look at that. Look at that. There's the treasury. Yep. There's the treasury. Yeah, it's beautiful. It says it takes different colors different times of day. We ready? Alright, hold on. Here we go, down. Hold on. Alright, I'm holding. Knees down. Backwards, and then down. Alright. Alright, hold on. You got it. Hey, buddy. Yeah, alright. Ah. Hey, Herbie. Alright. Whew. Thank you. Can I get a picture? A picture with them? Yeah. Alright. There we are. There's my new buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my goodness, it does look different in different light. Look at that. It's gorgeous. All right, Sarah, we made it. Whew. Yeah.
Glad you were on the lead one.
Yeah.
Because I got to see yours go down first. And then I'm like, okay, I know mine's going.
Yeah. All right, I got to get this video here real quick. Get this dismounted off here. All right, folks, that was. What have I got on my lens? Something on the lens. All right, well, anyway, here we are with the camels. Yep, camel ride at Petra. Wow, that's a once in a lifetime experience. All right, so here we are at the treasury. It's beautiful. Say it takes a different shade of color as the day progresses, as the sun hits it in different ways. You can clearly see that. This is absolutely just a gorgeous place. Gorgeous place. We're waiting on our friends Liz and Andrew from New Zealand to get off their camel here. They picked up, and then we'll all head back to the hotel together. I presume Jay's already back through the Seek on his way, so this wraps up a day in Petra. And here goes the camels. Hey, here comes Liz and Andrew. Yeah, here comes Liz and Andrew. Here comes Liz and Andrew on their ships in the desert. Yeah, let's get their picture here as they dismount. Yeah, now it's their turn. Yeah. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah. Okay.
That's all right. You got it.
Can you hold my
From here, excuse me.
Here, excuse me. Here.
Got it.
Can you hold my
All right. Let's see the dismount here.
Thank you.
All right. Made it.
Thank you.
Here goes Andrew.
Thank you.
Hold on.
You want to ride?
No, I just did. Thanks. Yeah. All right, they made it. They made it off the camels. Good job, mate.
Thank you. Did you tip him at all?
I just gave him full price, so
Yeah.
I didn't tip him. Yeah. All right. Yeah, buddy.
Scary.
All right. Woo. Wow.
Have you got any water, Andrew?
Just the one here.
All right. Here at the Uber lot, Petra, the taxi stand.
My guy was like, what was he? Relax.
Yeah.
No, he left a couple times to go chit chat with us.
Oh.
Yeah, and then the camel we were on wandered off, started wandering off towards
Down the cliff.
Down the cliff. And I'm like,
And I went, oh.
My camel just decided it was time to get up. All of a sudden, I wasn't ready. I was like,
no.
hold on, here we go.
I was
Yeah.
expecting a
And
really
then
bad
mine
thing, but it
went.
was actually,
Yeah.
alright.
Worked my hips pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell
same
me.
here.
Do you want